video, I am gonna cook quinoa, rice and peas. However, I am gonna cook enough peas with the coconut milk, and then I am gonna remove some to cook the quinoa, rice and peas, and then I am gonna reserve the other portion of the coconut milk and peas, let it cool, and then put it into a freezer container and store it in the fridge to use it further down in the week. And this is excellent when you want to save time. Yeah, man. So when I'm ready to cook it again, all I have to do is to just remove it from the freezer, let it thaw out a bit, and then I put it in the pot, let it boil up a bit, and then I put the rice in. As simple and easy as that. So I am using about 2 pints of peas, along with a piece of ginger and 2 cloves garlic. I am also using few seeds of pimento. That is called allspice, probably in your country. Now, with the peas thing, people ask me if I don't soak my peas overnight or if I don't soak it for a few hours before cooking it. The answer is no. I don't soak my peas. It is 2020, and peas is not tough like how it used to be back in the days when I was growing up. I use, and a lot of other Jamaicans who live in Jamaica use a peas that is called Alberta. The brand is Alberta, and it takes like 15 to 20 minutes to cook the most. It is very soft, so there is no need to soak peas in 2020. Trust me. Just use the Alberta brand of red kidney beans, and it will cook in no time. So now I am going to cover the pot and allow the peas to come to a full boil, and then I am going to pour some water into the pot, about 2 cups of water into the pot. And that method is called sink the peas in Jamaica, and hopefully that 2 cups of water will cook the peas. I am going to add just a little bit of salt because I want the peas to cook with salt. Ten minutes into the cooking time of the peas, I am going to add 1 stalk scallion, piece of fresh thyme, and 1 hot green pepper, because I want the flavors from the scallion, the thyme, and the pepper to infuse into the peas. So I like to cook them with the peas. So the peas is cooked. So now what I'm going to do is to scrape whatever is on the sides of the pot. We call them red. Just going to scrape it down into the pot. So I am adding 2 cups of coconut milk. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow the coconut milk to come to a full boil, and then boil for about 2 minutes. So now I am going to add 1/2 cup of quinoa to the water, or the liquid, coconut peas liquid, whatever you want to call it. Now I wash the quinoa, even though it is the box quinoa and it already said pre-wash, but I still give it 1 wash. Now I cook the quinoa just as how I cook rice. So the water is, or I should say the liquid is ½ inch over the quinoa. So I use a fork to give it a good stir.